Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Genius. Today we are going to continue with the previous topic. In the previous as well as before that we have done properties of whole numbers under different operation. The operation that we are going to deal today is multiplication. Now as the name only suggests, if you remember multiplication property, it comes with this symbol. This is your multiplication symbol, and multiplication is also known as repeated addition. So when I am talking about the term repeated addition, means if I say that under addition all the properties are true. So if I talk about multiplication is related to addition. So under multiplication also the properties are true. So let us see how we are going to do those properties. There is one addition to these properties. First let us start by the first property. The first property was closure property. I told you closure मतलब बंद करना, एक ही ग्रुप में बंद कर लेना. अगर मैंने बोला मेरे पास टू नंबर्स हैं, होल नंबर्स ए एंड बी, ए इंटू बी, अगर एक एक होल नंबर है, बी एक होल नंबर, जो इनका आंसर आएगा सी, वो भी एक होल नंबर होगा. लेट अस चेक वेदर दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज ट्रू अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन और नॉट. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ होल नंबर a as 7, b as 6. If I do a multiplied with b, that is 7 multiplied with 6, the answer should be c, and the answer is 42. So if a is a whole number, b is a whole number, and the answer which you have got, that is also a whole number. So this property is true under this operation. The property says that the product of two whole numbers will always be a whole number. जो आंसर आएगा वो भी whole number होगा. तो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी क्या करता है, होल नंबर में क्लोज कर देता है उनको, कि अगर आप दो नंबर्स ले रहे हो होल नंबर्स में से, तो आंसर भी होल नंबर के बीच में से ही आएगा. सो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सेज that if two numbers are whole numbers, the product of those two whole numbers will also be a whole number. So closure property is true under the operation of multiplication. Now the next property that we are going to talk about is commutative property, which is also known by the term as order property. Now if you remember our previous video in addition, we said commutative property holds true under addition. Now let us see whether it holds true under multiplication or not. Second property is commutative property. As I told you, commutative मतलब commute करना दो जगह. So if I take two numbers a and b, that a into b will be equal to b into a. मतलब अगर मैं दो नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट फाइंड कर रही हूँ, तो उसका अगर मैंने ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिया तो आंसर का जो प्रोडक्ट आंसर भी सेम होगा. लेट्स चेक इट आउट. अगर मैंने दो नंबर्स लिए, इफ आई टुक a as 6 and b as 5, so what is 6 into 5? The answer is 30. If I change the order, 5 into 6, the answer is 30. Have I got the same answer? Yes. So this is true under multiplication. So commutative property is true under the operation of multiplication. I am again repeating the property. The property says if you are finding the product of two numbers, the answer will remain the same even if you change the order of the numbers. अगर आपने नंबर्स का ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिया तब भी आपका आंसर सेम रहेगा. द आंसर विल नॉट चेंज, द आंसर विल रिमेन द सेम. एज यू कैन सी, अगर मैंने a इंटू बी किया 6 इंटू 5 दैट इज 30, मैंने इस केस में ऑर्डर को चेंज कर दिया b इंटू a. So the property says that commutative property has hold about two numbers, that if you take two numbers and if you change their orders, still the answer remains the same. Now the third property. Third property is related to the three numbers. Now the third property by the name only says associative property. When I talk about associative property means I am going to associate numbers. I am going to group the numbers. If I say I have three numbers a, b and c, associative property says that the product of three numbers will remain the same no matter if you change the associativity of the numbers in a different way. Let's see. product, I am again repeating the statement with the help of given words. The product remains the same no matter even if you change the associativity of the numbers. यहाँ पे मैंने A और B को ग्रुप किया था, यहाँ मैंने B और C को ग्रुप किया है. Let's take the example. अगर मैंने बोला मेरे पास A2 है, B3 है और C4 है. Let's put these A, B, C into this one. A is 2 multiplied B is 3 multiplied with C, that is 4. Now they are saying we are grouping these numbers. We are associating these numbers. So first we are going to solve this. What is 2 into 3? 6 into 4. The answer is 24. Now let's come to the other side. Here A is 2 multiplied with 3 into 4. Now here I need to multiply these two numbers first. So 2 multiplied with, what is 3 times 4 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. Have I got the same answer? Yes. So that simply clarifies that associative property. The property associative property holds true under the operation of multiplication, because multiplication is also known as repeated addition. तो जब repeated addition में ये property true है तो multiplication में भी ये property true होगी. So associative properties I am again explaining. It's basically dealing with three numbers where it says no, the product of three numbers remains the same no matter about how you associate the numbers. You can see I have associated A and B here, here B and C, but the product is same. So associative property holds true under multiplication. Now the next property that we are dealing with is the property multiplicative property. When I talk about multiplicative property, let's talk about the fourth property, that is multiplicative property. Multiplicative मतलब multiply करना, that is simple. As we have done additive property, multiplicative property भी होती है. Multiplicative property says that if you multiply, if any number, if I say any number, let's say A is any random number, if it is multiplied by 1, you will get the same number itself. So if I tell you about 6 multiplied with 1, the answer will be same. So this multiplicative property says that if you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number as the product. So multiplicative property is simple. In simple terms, it is multiplication with 1. If you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. Now just related to multiplicative property, we have multiplicative identity. If I talk about what is the multiplicative identity of whole numbers, up, don't get confused by the term. Remember additive identity 0 होती है. Multiplicative identity का मतलब है कि मैं किसी भी नंबर को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूं कि मेरे पास वो सेम नंबर आ जाए. आइडेंटिटी मीन्स मुझे वो सेम नंबर चाहिए, तो मतलब मुझे यहाँ पे किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए कि मेरे पास सेम नंबर आ जाए. 5 into 1. सो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ होल नंबर्स क्या होगी? 1. ये याद रखना, इसमें कंफ्यूज मत होना. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी का मतलब होता है कि हम किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें सो दैट आई गेट द सेम नंबर. सो 1 इज द नंबर दैट यू शुड मल्टीप्लाई सो दैट यू गेट द सेम नंबर. और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव प्रॉपर्टी सेज दैट इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर विद 1 you will get the same number. There is one more property of whole numbers under the operation of multiplication. That is the property of 0, multiplicative property of 0. Very simple. The fifth property, multiplicative property of 0. Now this multiplicative property of 0 says that any number multiplied with 0, the answer will be 0 itself. If I say I took a whole number A. If I multiply A with dash, A with 0, let's say, the answer will be not A. It will be 0. So this property says that if you multiply any number with 0, you will get the answer as 0. So this was my fifth property. So we have done 5 properties. The first property done by you was closure property. Closure property says that if you multiply 2 whole numbers, the answer will also be a whole number. Like 2 into 3, 6. So these two are whole numbers. The answer will also be a whole number. Second property was commutative property. Commutative property says that if you change the order of the numbers 2 into 3, that will be equal to 3 into 2. So 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is also 6. So even if you change the order of the numbers, the answer will remain the same. The third property was associative property. Associative property says that the most important, that even the product of three whole numbers will remain the same even if you associate the numbers in different way. If I say 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 1, if I am multiplying these two numbers first, that is 6 into 1, your answer is 6. This will be equal to, if you change the order, 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 1. मैंने यहाँ पे 3 into 1 पहले कर दिया, so 2 into 3, that is also 6. So even if you change the grouping of the numbers, still the answer remains the same. So this was your third property. Fourth property that you have done is multiplicative property. Multiplicative property says that if you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. Remember, if you multiply any whole number with 1, you will get the same whole number. So the 5 properties that you have done is closure property, commutative property, associative property, multiplicative property, and multiplicative property of 0. Multiplicative property of, this is also known, when you have to find the multiplicative identity, remember that is 1. Now if you have understood the properties under the operation of multiplication, if you have understood that properties of whole numbers under the operation of multiplication, do like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.